I was too tired to do an intro. Waiting for Aaron. Aaron, wherever Aaron went. Hella people. I gotta put this on my chest now. Makes it easier. Let's go to the ocean. I mean the beach, away from everybody for now. I don't think I'm gonna keep this on because I'm gonna have like some weird ass strap hand. Dog, that's gonna be so weird. What? I do what I want. Ow! Yeah, smack the shit on my foot. You don't need to push it in. You're straight. It's like last year. We're stuck waiting again.
Yeah. We had to make it as hard as possible.
All over the place.
And we still did it.
All up in your face like last time too.
Yo, what's up, bro? What's up?
Chill.
Yeah.
Let's get into each other's faces.
Yo. Dude, your GoPro? They're connected, bro. It's a nice staring contest. It's kind of cool.
You don't have.
Listen, bro.
I'm not doing anything. I'm just sitting here right now.
Yeah.
I think you're the only one on the radio.
Hi, Chris. They got the best canoe out of all of us. One-handed, baby.
I know you're tired, I do. I know you're tired, I do.
Yes.
Inside this city, I see people so excuse my sensitivity. Bitch, you
Clink me!
Oh, that's a lot of white kids. We might have to drop. We might have to drop her off.
You're so mean!
Hey.
It's okay, I got. Oh, fuck. We have to drop her off.
There's so many children! They're all children and they're all screaming.
Where are they going?
I am being rode like the royalty that I am. I feel like an absolute.
My TV's hurt.
I'm so glad I'm getting some of this dialogue on camera.
Know that she can happen.
Hi, Christopher.
Hey, Chris!
Hey.
Just Aaron.
Just Aaron.
Only Aaron. Watch out for the rock.
Hello.
Say hey, you guys.
Kathy's just chilling too.
You have to be synchronized. We have a rhythm. The other way, Rissa. Outside.
I hate myself.
Are you falling?
You know you can get whatever you want from me. Whatever you want,
We're just chilling out in the front.
GoPro brothers.
Hey!
I got those.
What's funny is we're both f***ers.
Two monkeys with a GoPro.
No! We're gonna die! I give up, we're gonna die. It's over.
We're gonna die. Yeah, the boys are here.
Hey!
Hey!
I'm mad.
I ain't got insurance.
Starboard, man! Starboard! Where's the cannon? I keep pushing forward, but it keeps pulling me backward.
Allah Akbar.
Oh!
Allah Akbar.
I finally see
I need to pee.
you know how. Don't stop caring about me now.
It's raining hella hard. And we got 3 canoes interconnected to each other. 3 canoes.
I can't see. I think it's like no. Kevin with the pee. Here, I'll hop in real quick.
Why are the raindrops getting fatter? Why are they getting fatter?
We got 4 canoes.
Why is it raining? The rain hurts. Go! Go!
Look how smooth that was.
Aaron. Everybody here now. Hello. Christopher, say hi. Oh, we're back. 5? Try and do 5. Let's go. It's ridiculous though. We just landed at the same campsite that we were at last year. Hi, Billy.
Hi, Billy.
Billy. I don't know. I got my little single tent over here. Got Rissa and Moni's tent.
I refuse to swim back there.
And then we got all the little frat boys over here. Her birthday. Birthday girl. Birthday girl. It's legit a little box with a toilet seat on it. It's weird. You can see it from here, right there.
You'll see everything.
So if you guys need to take a there's a toilet right there.
No.
I don't think he is.
Dead ass, it's a toilet over there.
You're right. Where the kids here?
It did.
What are you doing in my face, bro?
I'm harassing you. Duh.
Help me figure this out.
Is it this little thing right here? No, it's not this, huh? I'm stupid. Hey! You wanna go see the toilet?
Sure, let's go see it. Let's go. There's a toilet, bro.
Dead ass. See? Toilet. So you need to throw up.
Bussin'. Nah, bro, just throw up in the river,
Nah, I
bro.
peed by the tree over there.
Hey, yo!
Hey! We can see it. 2, 3. We fucking suck, dude. This thing.
I can't. It's pulling me.
What happened? What happened? Ew! I don't want to go play no more. What's going on?
I'm about to cut his ass out. I need my. He's the content right now. You guys want to go over there? Oh, don't worry. We're gonna go there. I'm going right now.
Yeah, we gotta eat. Or we're gonna die. Ah! I'll help you guys. Ah! Yeah, that little.
Oh, that is cute. Wow. You gotta collab that. You know what I mean?
Yes.
Go back.
Got that on camera.
I look skinny, but that's all.
We're on the way to get food. We got Tari and Rochelle and Lisa.
Make it seem like. Yo, we did it.
Oh, Aaron likes to start fires.
Trying to start a fire? Yeah. Yeah. Shouldn't you just blow at it?
My skin is dry as you can start rubbing elbows. I got a beautiful charcoal.
I thought I was talking to her when I said okay. I meant like okay, I'm done.
Yeah, it's unfortunate.
I said okay, I'm done changing.
I'm not meant to start fires. Did you find it, Lisa?
What you guys looking for?
She's looking for her, I don't know what it's called. It's like, what is it? Paloma?
Paloma.
Palomas.
Oh my goodness.
I got food. Cha canoeing with rice, short spy,
You want me to go ahead and put some hot dogs?
mango.
Roll me back.
Oh!
That's it.
Cornhole. We gotta cross the river. Cross the river. Cross the river. Cross the river.
Yo,
Who's
don't flip me. You good, dog? You good?
Look at these guys. So this is my tent. I'm all by myself. It's been like half an hour. I fell asleep on that tube. I think I drank too much. I gotta save. I gotta save the memory for tomorrow. So that's it for today. Maybe. No, I gotta go in the bag.
He said, why would I have it?
Wow, my hand's so black.
I know.
Got 14%, 22 minutes. So we're gonna go back to the other side for a little bit.
Wait.
Do I have to paddle this time? I'm still.
Just have Aaron do it.
Okay. You can paddle with David. Here you go, buddy. What kind of bullshit seat is this? It's like 2 inch, not even 2 inches wide.
It's not even.
David, I think your butt's wet.
Bro, my butt has been wet.
We're gonna go on a mission. Oh,
If we fucking flip over, I swear to God.
I left my beer at the tent. It's all nice and quiet. Hey!
Oh.
Fishies! Jazz fishies.
I was trying to catch one.
Oh, sorry, Billy.
Oh!
Sorry, Billy!
Jeez, Billy.
It's you.
Trying to shake it.
Guys, I'm hungry again.
Yay!
Oh, hell yeah.
I want some too. I don't need.
I know, where you been, Kevin?
Who is this?
I fell asleep on the tube for like 10 minutes.
Burn yourself.
It's better than a fucking microwave. Every time I put it in the microwave, that gets burnt.
And this is the third time.
Is it?
They burned the first. They burned the first two,
No.
The first 3-1.
and that took like a good half hour to complete.
I think the microwave is better than. Puppies are sleeping. Hey, puppy. It's a teddy. It's Teddy, right?
Yeah.
It's bigger. I'm just chilling.
Yes.
I think we're waiting for food.
What is this? What kind of crap?
Oh, I guess everybody took it already. Aww. Aww.
It's funny because he didn't do one yesterday. Oh, kids are here. No, that's for him. They clean it too. We get cut out.
Dope.
But you're the grandchild.
You want to swing, buddy? Oh, snap. Dope, go to mommy.
Chris, not too far.
Your son's a fish food. What? Starting up a fire over here for us? Are you going in with them? No. You coming? Go.
Man, Asian people eat everything.
I know.
You don't know that from your grandma. They do
Oh.
And also, you know how they make anchovies?
Go. And then he goes fish mode. Oh,
He goes, hey mom.
Go.
just chill. That sounds great.
Mooney knows. So record me. So record me. So record me.
David, you don't need to swear.
Sorry.
Aggressiveness doesn't get anywhere. Only creates tension.
Sorry.
I taught you that, Moni.
So what?
I'm a manager. Shut the hell up. Put it in a pouch inside the tent when we fold it in.
Oh.
Hold on. 1 second. 1 second. Okay, stop.
What are we doing? Shooting a music video?
This poor drink is getting drowned. Yeah, Moni, you're not moving.
Not going nowhere.
Pedicure, come sit here.
Oh, the fishies? No, they're everywhere.
Is that what Iman's doing? Nice and quiet. He's like, yep.
Getting my spa day.
That was so good. You're getting black too. Christopher's a fish, yo. David. Come here, pup. What are you doing? Where are you going? Who are you? Dina? Dina? Come on, Dina. Come on, Dina. Let's go. Come on, Dina. Let's go. Look like cats. Oh, where the? Ew. I think she stole chicken. She's a gangster, yo. Too slow. The big guy's too slow. How's your pedicure coming, cuz? And to our right, we see a wild 1, 2, 3. Where did I go?
Oh, you got a cell phone? Okay. Thank you. Man, look, Kevin, we both had him out too. Oh, yeah!
She snatched the phone. That did not work.
I'm calm now.
You're stupid. Don't record me. It's what?
Anejo. It's tequila, but it's in a different bottle.
I'll do one shot.
We all just drank it. Everybody did. But we're sharing. Went out in a bar.
I could just do a quick waterfall.
Yummy.
2, 3. Oh, that's up. She's just sitting there. After you were taking her down. Just grab her and throw her in the water. Zena. Teddy, no. You're so cute though.
So am I! I don't know!
Pat, bring back a tree to plant.
Okay, who put their shit here?
Bella, you look stupid. What is that, man? It's behead.
I'm trying to cook it. What with the boys?
He's going fast. He's going. God damn, he's fast. Everybody's just chilling now. I'm tired. It's time to go dig a hole and take a I think that's good.
Oh, what the hell?
There we go.
Ooh, I got Pikachu.
Oh,
1073.
Yes! Yes!
Oh,
I
she
got
got
an
a
art!
secret art.
Secret art, baby!
Then you just put one.
I was trying to free it in and out.
I think I got you something else.
Oh, my dude got me something.
It's a VMAX. Oh! Leafeon!
Cute.
Dope. Oh, Lisa got something too. Lisa got something
Oh!
too. Yeah.
Oh, it looks like an art card.
Oh,
It's a regular
that's so
Flareon. That's
funny.
cool. You got a regular Flareon and the art
Nice.
Flareon.
Good job. Yeah, like what?
Oh,
Oh,
you got
Leafeon. She got one.
finally I got one.
Nice.
Oh,
Look at that.
that's
What?
nice.
Oh,
Yeah.
wow, that's a nice card. Yeah.
Kenny! Go! Get it, Kenny.
No, I'm in dry clothes. Are you okay? Moni and Zena, look at how she's laying down. Pop. So cute. Hey Bella, how you doing, girl? Wow, my arm's so dark. Hey Pop. More cornhole. OG's playing cornhole. Some Cambodian music in the background. Everybody's dead. No more swimming. It's starting to get cold.
Hey, Evan.
Hi.
That's Lisa. She tells everyone she's 17. I don't know why.
I don't have people to tell me
Just
that.
like
They
how
tell me
Asia
that.
thought that you were underage drinking.
Who, me?
Yeah. Last year.
It's all good. See, that's why 15.
Yeah, that's what she said.
How do you think I'm younger than you?
She's turning 14.
Oh, never mind.
I thought you were like 19.
No, he's 30.
He's 30. He's
It's not a
old.
secret, but shh.
30!
Done one? The one that's finished up here?
Yeah. I poop so I can eat.
Bye. Look at the bye.
Yeah, bye. John? Is this John?
Waiting for that one.
Oh, I guess I gotta turn this off so I can eat. Can you throw some on him, man?
Cole?
You black guy?
We can get back
Say
to this
hey,
later.
you guys.
Aaron, you're doing really good.
Nah, you're good. Ow.
Oh, we're gonna die.
What are you drinking?
A liquid.
A liquid of alcohol.
You know who Kirby is? The round pink guy, Nintendo?
Yeah, he's drinking Kirby.
I'm drinking Kirby, I killed him. Hey, if you see Walker's Bridge, pull out to the left.
To the left, to the left.
If you see Bridge, to the left.
Everybody move to the left.
Move to the left.
How about we nothing
Pretend clean. Cheers!
Okay, bye.
Okay, bye.
Checking my reflection and telling my best friend like, girl, I think like that can be.
Yeah, get the guitar.
Darling, just dive right in. Follow my lead. Beautiful ways.
Ow!
Oh, yeah.
How are you playing it all that time?
Okay, so Ming Mom was asking, oh, which I can't do it. Oh, look, that looks great. Let's hop. No, those are the ones that's the campsite. That's why. You can say.
This is crazy.
All right.
Swap side, guys. Swap. The other side now.